You just got to drive back to get my car and we'll be good. And a 2-hour drive home. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the vlog. So, a lot's changed and haven't been on YouTube for a while. The sun's bright. But today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. See how it works out. See if this could be a potential type of content for me to upload, considering we don't go and do things like we used to, because a lot of stuff has happened in my life recently. But yeah, so today we're going to be actually cleaning, getting the house organized, or the yard rather. My wife and kids went to a football game today, so they'll be gone pretty much all day. So let me just show you what we're going to be taking care of today. Okay, First off, don't judge us. I have not been here. I've been working all week, so we're going to straighten this area up. And then we've got the back porch as well that we're going to straighten up. And our little carport area here. My wife already straightened it up a little bit throughout the week, but I'm going to try to hang these guys in the ceiling. I just kind of straighten up. I'd like to move that pile of wood there and get it gone, and then I'd like to get that taken down. I might have to call in some assistance for that one. Don't look at the trash. Gross. We'll get everything taken care of today. It shouldn't take too long, but let's get started.
Something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling.
There you go. It's a good little bit more organized. I'm actually going to burn those boxes later. So kitty. But let's go get started on something else. So next we're gonna have to go get a trailer and get that wood up. We're gonna take this bad boy. The trailer. Oh, you know what? I'm realizing there's an issue. The ding dang ball hitch. I don't know how loud that is. Okay, let's go find a ball hitch. Found one. Just gotta get that pin out, and then we'll take it. Aha! All right.
taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness. But I'll just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down, grabbing water, just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll live with my foot in my back, so I'll keep hustling. You keep struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling.
Yeah, honestly doing that is I feel like there's spiders all over me now, but we're almost done. We got 5 more. I think we got about 6 or 7 left on the ground, but I think I'm gonna wait for the spiders to calm down before yeah. So we moved to a different pile. We're gonna get this area cleaned up. Already moved the tin and all this. But yeah, just cleaning up the whole yard. Wanna know something crazy? I used to live over there. Now I don't, because I live right there. That's crazy. Look at who decided to show up. What are you doing, me meow? You better not get over there and get snake bit. What are you doing, pretty girl? Hello. Oh.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go.
Came out here to see about doing a shooting lane. He's gonna cut us a lane right here. So that later we can come out here and shoot. Slide in our rifles for deer season. Look at that bottle right there. You're off to the left and up. From the first bottle? Yeah, this one right here.
Hardly, you really got another trouble.
Yeah. Firing. The blue?
One you was high, one you was low.
I don't know, man. It's pretty far for a red dot.
You got any ammo?
Everything you know that you could get.
Are you shooting for the target?
Yeah.
My past is filled with things I won't forget. Use them all to push me to my best.
Do that one.
So treat
No,
the
it
worst
doesn't
of times
bother.
just like a test.
Are you shooting the ball?
I could go back in time, I tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends you can take can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time. Just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to keep you down.
Still on.
They won't
Huh?
Still on.
Yep.
They wanna
One
fill
more.
your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll
Woo! I don't know, I still like that one. Just a little. Needs fine tuning at the range. Go for it.
Priming.
I don't think so. No.
Well, I'm out on that one.
We're fine.
That's what we were shooting at. Man, someone got the wood.
In front of me. We're hitting it somewhere. That has to be.
That, yeah.
So it must be this one hitting it then.
Yeah.
So it just needs to come up.
Just a little lower. I can't believe it busted out in that section like that. Hit right there too.
No, we didn't hit that.
Oh yeah, you're right, you're right.
I got my pistol. Let's see what comes down with it.
Hi.
See where it hit?
No.
I hear it hitting.
Yeah, definitely hitting, but to the left or to the right. Heck yeah. So I just got done at the range, sighting in some guns. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. We got a bunch of stuff done today, and my wife has made it home. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for hanging out. Thanks for helping get everything completed today. So I appreciate it. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button down below. Comment what you thought, and stick around because the next video will be a hunt.